Hi guys, so just wanted to let you know that this is a dynamic course and the course is not ending. So basically I'm gonna upload new content on AI and ChatGPT and different AI tools. Um, I think like every week, every 2 weeks. And if you have any specific content or request that you want to see on specific AI tool, or a specific use case, so just write me in the comments on this video. You can email me or write me in the chat, whatever you want. Just write me which content you want to see, which use case, which tips, prompts, anything you want to see, and I will do my best to upload it. So just want to let you know that check this course every other week because I'm gonna upload new exciting content every time. So yeah, this is really a dynamic course with new content. So yeah, just enjoy it and make sure to check out the course every now and then, and make sure to give us a good review. Yeah, that's it.